Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam if you're new here, and today I've got another review for you guys. We will be talking about the CICAPLAST Baume B5 Ultra Repairing Soothing Balm. So this is how it looks like. It has made waves everywhere. Everyone talks about it. Everyone is using it for everything, and I do feel that people is using it wrong. And most important if you have acne prone skin like me. So I'll be sharing my thoughts and my experience with it. I've been using it for the past months, actually more than 1 year, and yeah, I want to share my thoughts about it. It has panthenol 5%, madecassoside I think is the name, and tribbioma. This is how it looks like. This is a very nice good product, but if you use it properly for what it's supposed to be used. Okay, so keep that in mind. Let's get started. It comes actually on a box that I don't have here because I almost finished it, and when you open it you have a notice, and this inside a tube it looks like this. This is how it looks like, and when you apply it, it looks like this. I will show you. It's kind of thick, very thick. Look at that, you see? It's not made for like an everyday skincare, if you know what I mean. Actually, it's marketed as a multi-purpose balm, which is the case. But I have seen people, as I told you, use it for their acne prone skin or their breakouts to calm them down and all that kind of stuff. So let's talk about the process. As I told you before, it's for scars. Actually, it does work perfectly for scars. It does help, like not just closed scars, but actually works as well for open scars. I don't know, open ones, if you know what I mean. So for example, I had an accident days before, and I have some scars like this one. I don't know if you will see it, and it works wonders with this kind of stuff. That's why when I have seen people having some breakouts and they apply it on the breakout, if you have touched the breakout, you picked it and whatever, and it gets like, you know, huge and ugly like actually these ones I have right here, and you apply it just on that breakout, it's normal that the next day it will calm down, because it's actually it's like an open wound, if you know what I mean. But it doesn't mean it helps with acne prone skin. Keep that in mind. But for the rest of stuff, like if you have, for example, it did help a lot with my skin when I had dry skin all over my mouth and around my mouth and around my nose on winter season. It helps a lot. Like I will apply just 2 days, and then all the dryness will be gone. It was amazing, and in that case. But other than that, I think it's a good cream you should have at home for all kind of purposes. In that case, La Roche Posay did market this one well. It's just people, I have seen it on TikTok and everything, they didn't use it the right way, in my opinion. The two process I told you, the fact that it's a multi-purpose cream, balm, sorry, that helps with scars, and the third thing is that it's affordable. It's an affordable cream. It's not expensive at all. I don't even remember how much I got it, but I remember it was not expensive. So for a balm that you used a little bit of it, like you see, like a little bit of it, it's enough to apply on all over your face. Or I mean, I don't suggest applying it all over your face, but like on the places you need to apply it, or on your hands when they get really dry, it helps a lot with that. So these are the 3 pros. Now let's talk about the con. For me, it has 1 con, actually, not more, because I will lie if I say anything else. Don't apply it all over your face if you have acne prone skin, if you have sensitive skin, if you have, because most of the time if you have acne prone skin, this is what I learned with time, it doesn't mean like you just react to, like for example, alcohol or essential oils. Like you can react to good things as well. I know, for example, for a fact that for me, shea butter, it's not good for me at all, for example, you know, or olive oil, it will clog my pores as well, which are natural things that you can find on some creams, but they don't suit me at all. That's it. So that's why you have to be careful and read all the ingredients and see what's good for you, what's not good for you. Patch test sometimes to see how you will react, and even that, be careful, because I realized that for me, for example, my cheeks, they don't react the same way that my forehead. My forehead will react to every single thing. My cheeks, which is weird actually, I mean, at least this part right here, I don't get any kind of reaction. So I mean, if you have a sensitive parts of your face, for example, if you are more the kind of person who reacts on her cheeks or your cheeks or whatever, to just do a patch test somewhere in your cheek, on your cheek, check, like, not just one day, check a week, a whole week, to see how you react to it. Very important. So that's the only con that I have for this cream. I don't have anything bad to say about it, because it helps a lot, and it did help me with my scars. It still helps me sometimes when I will get, you know, when I'm cooking and I get burned, I just use this. I don't need anything else. I will use it like for a week or whatever, and I don't even, like, yeah, I have small tiny one here. You cannot even see it. Yeah, you cannot even see it, because I applied this cream. So with scars, it's very good. If you have scars from acne and you don't react to acne anymore, and you feel like you will not be reacting to this one, maybe you can try on those scars, but be careful, because you can react badly and it will be sad to get acne once again and get breakouts. All I have to say is that it has been a mixed bag for me. It has a lot of good benefits and good things and everything, and I do think it's perfect for scars and for many concerns with your skin. If you have dryness, if you have, this is the kind of cream you should have all the time on your skincare, because you never know when you will use it, at least for me. But will never apply it on my face, I mean my forehead, and any places that I will have reactions with acne, kind of reaction. I will not apply it at all. I have done it, I have tried it, and don't do it. Don't apply it all over your face unless you already did, you patched tested it and it worked for you, then go ahead. But I do think it's a very thick cream, in my opinion. Unless you have a very kind of dry skin, maybe it will work for you. But yeah, be careful. Other than that, it's a holy grail and it's very good. So I hope this experience and this video was helpful for you guys. I have shared my thoughts. Let me know if you have used this cream and how it worked for you. I think everyone would like to know on the comment section down below. And just to let you know, guys, I do post on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Sundays, or at least I try my best to post all the time. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.